Okay, so today we are discuss comments in Python. What are comments? Comments are the statements that are not executed by the Python interpreter. In Python, two types of comment are used in a program: a single line comment and multiple line comment. Multi-line comment. For a single line comment, we are using hash symbol. The hash is used, whereas for the multi-line comment, triple single quotes or triple double quotes are used. Okay, so let's discuss it with an example. Okay, the single line comment. Okay, so we are using hash symbol. Okay, so this is Python program. Okay, so again I am using the control S. Okay, right here comments. Okay, then click on the save button. Okay, so I am going to run this program. So we are getting nothing output here, because the interpreter of the Python programming, it just ignore it, because we are using the hash symbol before the starting of this statement. Okay, so it's ignoring it. Okay, so we are getting nothing here. Okay, so if you want to create multi-line comment, then we have to double quote. I write here written by Amit-infotech, written by Amit-infotech on March 12, 2024. Okay, so again I am using triple quote, then I am again using, I told you double quote 3 times, so it's double quote. Okay, for my YouTube channel, teaching purpose. Okay, so here I am using the hash symbol to use the single line comment, then I use comma, okay, single quote 3 times single quote. Okay, and then close single quote. So again I am running this program. Okay, so here you can check, we are getting nothing statement is executed here. Okay, so this is the way that you can write comments in Python. Okay, I hope you can understand. See